It's been roughly 4 months since I got my hands on a Steam Deck, and in this video I'm going to tell you about my journey over the last 100 hours of using the deck, what I liked, what I don't like, it's not much, and some general observations that I found regarding Valve's first, and surely not last, handheld game playing console hybrid thingy. It's still a work in progress. I mean that in the literal sense of the word, which isn't a bad thing. Actually, it's quite the opposite in my opinion, from the point forward. When you will hold it in your hands for the first time, this thing will only get better. Valve is bringing update after update to this device, kitting small bugs here, fixing bigger bugs there, addressing certain issues from the community, and upgrading everything in between along the way. Yeah, I know there are still certain things that can't be fixed, or will need a longer time to be addressed. Like you can't play every Steam game in your library, or the USB-C could have been implemented on the other side or on the back of the device. But the thing I'm holding in my hands right now is the thing I always dreamed of as a kid. A very large, very sturdy gaming console on the go. With a screen that is, well, okay-ish at best, with its 7-inch 1280 by 720 LCD touchscreen in a weird 16 by 10 aspect ratio that is actually not very bright and not really color accurate. Well, not even close. It's actually just meh. But I don't care. I can take my favorite games out of my studio space, into my living room, onto the streets, into the park or anywhere else where I like to take them, without having to slug around a 15-pound gaming laptop or an 80-pound gaming PC. And all of this personal gaming freedom for the low price of $399. From the looks on your face right now, I don't think you're actually convinced, so let's dismantle the deck and take a closer look at what you actually get for $399, including all of its weaknesses, even though, as said in the beginning, there aren't many. Specs wise, you get the best, most efficient chips and dips ever put into a handheld device with the most versatile price points for every type of consumer. You are able to put in as much disk space as you want for the cheapest available price through SD cards. You can get yourself a dock which can support HDMI, sound and data through its single USB-C port. You get great onboard sound, and I mean great onboard sound with the built-in speakers. Or you can use a wired connection with its line-in port, or connect to different headphones through its Bluetooth connection. What about disliking the joysticks, the D-pad, the buttons and the trackpads? Well, no problem, just connect a different controller to the Steam Deck. Which one? Well, me and the Steam Deck actually do not care. $60 here, $70 there. Console gaming is a very expensive hobby to be had, especially while still being in your teenage years, so being able to get games for a discounted price multiple times per year directly on the deck is a great alternative and one of the major steps in bringing PC gaming back to its rightfully earned place in the households and, with the Steam Deck especially, the hands of gamers. Before owning the deck, I was gradually playing less and less each year. This trend is, well, it's still here, but instead of going in the studio, sitting down, committing to a PC route, I more often than not grab the deck and leave my studio to play a session somewhere else. This is also attributed to my love of all things retro and the ease of emulation the Steam Deck inherits, with a very active modding community. Being able to throw everything you carefully collected over the years onto the deck's SD card, bringing you a whole set of games you love to play anywhere at any time with a better screen, and the input control tech of 2022 is, when actually everything works, the realization of Nintendo's long promised claim from 2 decades ago. Now you're actually playing with power. I'm looking forward to what else will happen with the Steam Deck and its inevitable successor, and how this one device might change the future of PC gaming in the long terms. As always, thank you very much for watching. My name is Leech and I'm off writing the next scripts. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. There are plenty more of this type of content and many other things available for you to watch. Have a great day, see you around, and goodbye.